Crossbows have come a long way from their origins on medieval battlefields. Today, they stand at the crossroads of precision engineering and serious power. Modern crossbows are faster, lighter, and more advanced than anything seen before. And in 2026, manufacturers have completely raised the bar. New designs are pushing performance limits, redefining what these machines are capable of. Whether you're a dedicated hunter, a preparedness-minded survivalist, or someone who appreciates high-performance weapon technology, this year's lineup is guaranteed to impress. But before we jump in, take a moment to support the channel by hitting the like button. Drop a comment telling us which crossbow you think should claim the #1 spot, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into cutting-edge firearms and gear. Every week, we bring you the latest innovations, straight-shooting reviews, and incredible advancements shaping the modern weapons world. So, buckle up, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at crossbows. From compact tactical designs to finely tuned hunting machines, we're counting down the top 5 crossbows to buy in 2026. And stick around, because the #1 pick is truly on another level. Number 5. Raven R26X, the compact powerhouse. When it comes to combining size, strength, and pinpoint accuracy, the Raven R26X truly stands apart. This ultra-compact crossbow was built for hunters who want serious performance without hauling around bulky gear. Measuring just 26 inches in length and weighing roughly 6.5 pounds, the R26X proves that small doesn't mean weak. This crossbow is all about mobility. It's easy to maneuver through thick timber, tight blinds, or rugged terrain, staying balanced and ready no matter where the hunt takes you. And despite its compact footprint, the R26X delivers incredible performance. It launches bolts at speeds up to 400 feet per second, producing over 140 foot-pounds of energy, more than enough for big game hunting across North America. Raven's advanced cam system keeps everything perfectly aligned through the draw and release, resulting in exceptional arrow flight and repeatable accuracy. Shot after shot, the performance stays smooth, controlled, and extremely consistent, even after extended use. One feature hunters consistently praise is the silent cocking and decocking system. You can safely decock the crossbow without firing a bolt, reducing noise and preserving your string. Pair that with Raven's friction-reducing flight system, and you get a shot that's remarkably quiet and clean. Almost effortless. This isn't just hunting gear. It's a precision-built tool designed for stealth in the field. Visually, the R26X looks as serious as it performs. Its modern tactical design and Predator dusk camo give it a sharp, professional appearance, while the ergonomic grip and compact stock keep it comfortable during long hunts. Many reviewers refer to it as a sniper-style crossbow, and that reputation is well-earned. Lightweight, balanced, and extremely effective, it delivers elite performance at a premium price point of around $2,000. While it's not a budget option, serious hunters know quality like this is an investment. If you're looking for a crossbow that's compact, ultra-accurate, and impressively quiet, the Raven R26X absolutely earns its spot on this list. It's proof that in 2026, top-tier power doesn't have to come in a large package. Number 4. 10-Point Titan 400. Precision you can feel. If you're looking for a crossbow that delivers serious power while staying perfectly balanced and dependable, the 10-Point Titan 400 deserves your attention. Heading into 2026, this model stands out as one of the most refined crossbows on the market. It's more than just hunting equipment, it's the result of thoughtful engineering and proven American design. From the moment you bring it up to your shoulder, the Titan 400 feels dialed in. The weight distribution, grip angle, and overall layout are carefully tuned to give shooters maximum control. Everything about it is designed for repeatable accuracy and confidence with every draw and every release. With bolt speeds reaching up to 400 feet per second, the Titan 400 delivers serious impact downrange. Its reverse draw configuration shifts the center of gravity closer to the shooter, improving balance and reducing vibration. The result is a smoother shot cycle and tighter groups, even when stretching the distance. One of its most appreciated features is the ACU draw decocking system, which allows you to safely and quietly decock the crossbow without taking a shot. In real hunting conditions, that kind of control makes a big difference, especially when staying silent matters. Aesthetically, the Titan 400 carries a clean, modern look. The graphite gray finish gives it a low-profile, tactical feel, while 10 points Alpha Knock HP system enhances consistency and durability. Paired with the Rangemaster Pro scope, this setup delivers crisp sight pictures and precise aiming in low light, whether you're hunting at first light or just before sunset. What really sets the Titan 400 apart in 2026 is how user-focused it is. Weighing in at around 6.4 pounds and featuring an adjustable stock, it adapts easily to different shooters and shooting styles. It's built for comfort, control, and long days in the field, not just raw speed. Quiet, smooth, and extremely dependable, the Titan 400 feels like a natural extension of the shooter. Whether you're tracking whitetails deep in the woods or spending time on the range, it delivers consistent performance without ever feeling overbuilt or unwieldy. This crossbow sits right in that sweet spot between power and precision. True to its name, the 10-point Titan 400 earns its reputation as a dominant performer built for hunters who demand reliability and control in every shot. Number 3. Wicked Ridge Invader M1 Decock, built to be trusted. The Wicked Ridge Invader M1 Decock is the kind of crossbow that earns respect quietly. It doesn't rely on flashy numbers or over-the-top marketing. Instead, it focuses on the essentials: dependability, smart safety features, and performance that holds up in real hunting conditions. That practical approach is exactly why so many hunters end up sticking with it season after season. As soon as you handle it, the Invader M1 feels well-balanced and intuitive. The controls are simple, the layout makes sense, and everything falls naturally into place. Nothing feels awkward or overcomplicated, which matters when you're operating under pressure in the field. In terms of performance, this crossbow delivers more than most people expect at its price point. With arrow speeds reaching into the mid-300 feet per second range depending on setup, it offers consistent bolt flight and dependable accuracy. When matched with a quality broadhead and properly tuned, it provides more than enough energy for clean, ethical shots at normal hunting distances. It's designed for real-world success, not spec sheet bragging. And that's why it consistently earns strong reviews from experienced hunters. The standout feature here is the built-in decocking system. This allows you to safely and quietly decock the crossbow without firing a bolt, which is a huge advantage when plans change or when you need to pack up without making unnecessary noise. Both new shooters and seasoned hunters appreciate this added level of safety and convenience. It reduces stress, limits wear on equipment, and helps prevent costly mistakes. Durability is another area where the Invader M1 excels. It's built with proven, time-tested components that can handle rough use. Maintenance is straightforward, replacement parts are easy to find, and it works with common accessories like standard cocking devices and optics. That kind of compatibility makes ownership easier and keeps long-term costs down. Where this crossbow really separates itself is value. The Wicked Ridge Invader M1. Decock is made for hunters who want dependable performance without paying premium prices. It's a solid, honest tool that does exactly what it's supposed to do when the moment matters. Reliable, safe, and effective. This is one of the strongest mid-range crossbows you can buy. Number 2. 10-point TX28. Compact size, big-time capability. The 10-point TX28 is proof that serious performance doesn't require a massive frame. This ultra-compact crossbow is built for hunters who operate in tight spaces but still demand full-size results. With an overall length of just 28 inches and an ultra-slim axle-to-axle width of around 6.5 inches when cocked, the TX28 is designed to move effortlessly in blinds, tree stands, and thick cover. In close-quarter hunting situations, the TX28 feels incredibly nimble. It's quick to shoulder, easy to maneuver, and stays out of the way when every inch matters. Despite its small footprint, this crossbow delivers serious speed, launching bolts at approximately 410 feet per second. That kind of velocity translates into strong, kinetic energy, more than enough for clean, ethical shots on big game. What makes the TX28 truly impressive is how it blends compact handling with long-range precision. Shooters report tight groupings and consistent accuracy, even when shot windows are narrow and timing is critical. It's a rare combination of stealth, speed, and confidence-inspiring control. 10-point packed a surprising amount of advanced technology into this compact platform. The twin riser system helps minimize flex and vibration, while the refined TriggerTech trigger delivers a smooth, crisp break shot after shot. The zero-track barrel paired with guide-lock arrow retention keeps bolts perfectly aligned, and the rock-steady arrow control system enhances consistency and reliability. The TX28 also features 10 points ACU Slide Max system, allowing for safe cocking and decocking without losing control of the bow. Topped off with the factory-installed Rangemaster 100 scope, the setup is capable of confident shooting at extended distances while maintaining accuracy and repeatability. In the field, the TX28 feels balanced and easy to manage. Hunters frequently mention the low vibration, smooth follow-through, and comfortable ergonomics that reduce fatigue during long sits. That matters when patience pays off with a single, high-stakes shot. The included arrows and accessories make this crossbow nearly ready to hunt right out of the box. For hunters seeking a premium compact crossbow that delivers modern technology, stealthy handling, and dependable accuracy, the 10-point TX28 earns its place as the number 2 pick for 2026. It's a powerful reminder that compact gear can still deliver elite-level performance when it matters most. 1. 10-point Venom X, the ultimate predator in the world of modern crossbows. When we talk about pushing the limits of what a crossbow can be, the 10-point Venom X stands at the very top. This isn't just hunting gear. It's a high-performance system built for shooters who want absolute control, maximum power, and cutting-edge technology in one package. From the moment you see it, the Venom X makes a statement. Every line, every component, and every design choice is clearly engineered with one goal in mind: dominance in the field. The Venom X delivers blistering speeds of up to 410 feet per second, powered by 10 points advanced cam system that maximizes efficiency while keeping the draw smooth and manageable. The energy transfer is instant and decisive, giving you the confidence to take clean, ethical shots on big game without hesitation. But raw speed isn't what truly defines this crossbow. It's how refined and effortless it feels to operate. Thanks to 10 Point's ACU slide system, cocking and decocking the Venom X is smooth, silent, and incredibly safe. Hunters no longer have to fire a bolt to uncock or worry about sudden string release. You can safely disarm the bow in total silence, a massive advantage when conditions change or when staying stealthy is critical. It removes stress from the process and lets you focus entirely on the hunt. Visually, the Venom X looks like something built for the future. Its ultra-narrow profile, just 9 inches wide when cocked, makes it exceptionally maneuverable in tree stands, ground blinds, and thick cover. The tactical stock design and lightweight composite materials provide strength without bulk, giving the crossbow a perfectly balanced feel in the hands. This is a platform built to perform under pressure, where stability and control matter most. Precision is where the Venom X truly shines. 10 Point's arrow alignment technology ensures consistent string tracking and clean bolt release on every shot. The 2-stage trigger, breaking at roughly 3.5 pounds, offers a crisp, rifle-like feel that serious hunters immediately notice. Pair that with the Rangemaster Pro scope, calibrated for long-range accuracy, and the Venom X becomes a true precision instrument, capable of tight groups well beyond typical hunting distances. Despite all this advanced technology, the Venom X remains practical and field-ready. Weighing around 6.9 pounds, with a forward-balanced design, it allows for steady aiming, smooth target tracking, and reduced fatigue during long sits. Whether you're pursuing whitetail, hogs, or larger game, this crossbow performs with calm consistency, even when your heart rate is high and the moment counts. In 2026, the 10 Point Venom X isn't just one of the best crossbows available. It sets the standard. It represents the peak of 10 Point's engineering, blending power, safety, silence, and precision into one refined package. For hunters who demand the very best and refuse to compromise, this is the crossbow that earns the #1 spot.